Hello everyone. In this video I am going to represent you a fully customizable contact form builder extension for Magento platform known as Contact Form Builder Flexibleforms. Now let's move to the online demo of the front end of Flexibleform Contact Builder. Now I am going to explain you the features and the functionality of the front end of the Flexibleform. As you can see, the front end of the Flexibleform, you can input the top description and the bottom description as per your need. You can set the field sets and fields as per your need. You can create the field as per your need in various formats such as text, text area, checkbox, radio, etc. and set them mandatory as per your need. We have provided the functionality of email and URL validation. We have defined all the countries in the drop-down menu format from which user can select and also select the state from the drop-down menu. If your state is not listed in the Magento default countries, you have to input the state name or you can customize it from backend. You have the functionality of single select and multi-select. You can also add a rating option which can be customized from the range of 0 to 10. You can set up default Magento date and time, or you can only provide the option for date or time as per your need. You can allow the users to upload images and documents in the predefined format and maximum file size set in the backend. You can include tooltip in any field or can even set a note, or you can set both the tooltip and note as per your need. You can set radio and checkbox button in 6 different patterns in vertical and horizontal patterns with image and label or without it as per your need. You can set terms and condition agreement, and you can even avail the option for user to request for a copy of it on mail. We have also provided the functionality of reCaptcha validation to avoid force spamming. You can set up button text as send, submit, inquiry, etc. for the submission of the form. Now let's move to the backend of the Flexibleform Contact Builder. Once you install the Flexibleform extension, you will have the access to the backend. As you can see in the backend admin panel, there is option for system and Flexibleform. Now first I will tell you how to customize Flexibleform setting through global configuration in settings. As you will click on the global configuration option, you will see many options. I will explain you what are they and how to set it up. You can enable and disable extension as per your need. You can need to disable jQuery if it is already using jQuery library in current theme. You can enable and disable top links and bottom links as per your need. You can redirect the user to another page or website as for thank you or advertisement display. You can set which user can submit the form, register users only or even non-register users. Now I will show you how to configure admin and customer email. You can enable and disable email to admin and customer as per your need. As you enable email to admin and customer, you need to add admin name in admin email and customer email. You can set up single or multiple email address separated by comma at which admin will receive email from the customers. You can select the admin and customer email template and customize it as per your need. Now I will show you how to configure product inquiry form. You can enable and disable product inquiry and display title into tab product collateral as per your need. You can single select any form that will be presented as product inquiry form in the front end. You can even customize the selected form as per your need. You can single select or multi-select product attributes and email. Now let's move back to the store page of Pixlogix so I can show you the front end of the product inquiry form integrated with flexible form. As you can see over here, this is the front end of the product inquiry form. Now let's move to the backend manage form features. You can view the result of the number of users submitted the form and will also have the access to their detail as shown in the screen. Now I will show you how to create a new contact form. On the back end of the admin panel, you will see the option for add form on the right hand corner. Click on it. As you click on it, you will be redirected to the form information where you need to input the title of the form you want to display. A form URL key will be generated on the basis of the input title, or you can input as per your need. Now input the top and bottom description you want to represent in the front end of the form. If you want to show the users a successful or failure message as they submit their form, input the successful and failure message in the separate fields provided. In the form button text, you can input the text as submit, send, inquiry as per you want to represent in the front end. Now let's move to the general setting. You can input the redirect URL to which you want to redirect the user when they submit their form. You can enable and disable CAPTCHA as per your need. Now let's move to the email setting. The email setting for the admin and customer will be form specific. If you make any alteration in the email setting of any specific flexible form, it will directly override the global configuration for that particular form. As you will input the data and choose all the option in forms information and general setting, you will see two more options, field list and field set list. Now let's move to the field set list and see how to create a field set. You can add the title of the field set as per you need, and field set ID will be auto generated. You can add new field set from the add new field set option in the right hand corner. You can enable and disable the field set as per you need, and accordingly it will be there in the front end of the form. Now let's move to the last option of fields list and see how to create a new field. You can set the title of the field that will be represented in the front end of the form. You can select the type of field such as text, text area, email, address, number, URL, and 14 more options provided as per your need. In the field type, if the field type is defined as multi-select, select, radio and checkbox, then you need to input the option value as option 1, option 2, option 3 or option 4 and value in option field. You can set up any field mandatory by enabling required from required field. You can set field layout 1 column wide and 2 column on front end as per your need. You can finally enable and disable the field as per that it will be presented in the front end. Now I will show you how to use form widget into CMS page. For use any form into CMS page, put code into CMS page. To select this code, go to CMS page, Content tab, click on Insert Widget, select Flexible Form option from widget type. Drop down, then select form as per your requirement from Flexible Form drop down. Then click on Insert Widget button. You can change any form by replacing ID equal to 1, where 1 is form ID and you can change it by replacing your form ID. I will tell you the benefits of flexible form. Why you are ready to buy any other contact form builder extension every time you require some changes in the existing in contact form builder. Contact builder flexible forms is fully customizable, which will adjust as per your need, so no need for you to adjust now. Contact builder flexible form extension is enabled with email URL and Google reCaptcha validation, so no need to worry about force spamming. Now you can create thousands of contact form whenever you need and customize it as per your need at any moment. Contact builder flexible form extension also comes with a product inquiry form integrated in the functionality, so no need to purchase one more extension for product inquiry form builder. So don't go for good, go for the best and unmatchable contact builder flexible forms. You can buy contact builder flexible form extension directly from our store at www.pixlogix.com. In the next video, we gonna represent you the first blog extension for Magento. Subscribe us for it. Thank you.